Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Since it's the holiday season, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to solve the 1x2x3 Christmas Tree Cuboid. Before we begin, I hope you'll hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's get started. First, we'll be matching up the green and white pieces, starting with the bottom section and working our way up to the top. This part will be intuitive, requiring no algorithms. Once you have the pieces matched up, you can get one of two cases. In this case, the top and bottom sections are in their correct positions, but the entire middle section is flipped. To fix this, hold the puzzle like so and perform this algorithm. The notations on this algorithm will be M prime, which is to rotate the entire middle section 180 degrees counterclockwise. R will be to rotate the right side 180 degrees clockwise, and R prime, which will rotate the entire right side 180 degrees counterclockwise. M prime, R, M prime, R prime, M prime. As you can see, the puzzle is now solved. In this case, the top and bottom parts of the puzzle are in their correct positions, but one of the middle pieces is flipped. To fix this, hold the puzzle like so and perform this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R. And the puzzle is now solved. And there you have it, a brief tutorial on how to solve the 1x2x3 Christmas Tree Cuboid. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, have a great day.